Ugh, I'm so bored. What should we do? Well, I don't know. Hey guys, come help me. Okay, I'm coming. Ugh, I'm so bored. Hey man, it's your pet imaginary friend, a top hat beaver. Who the hell are you? Top hat beaver. Get out my house. Jeez, fine. Just gonna get a morning routine in this boring warehouse. Ooh, mints. Coca-Cola edition. Ugh, Bluebird. Hey, Catty, what do you want? I stole this. A vending machine? Are you serious? Oh, wait, there's missing 5. Yeah, I'm gonna get the soda, the 5 at the store, okay? Yay! Let's bring it in. Okay. Wait, you're not helping? Oh. Okay. I forgot something. Oh, I'm so exhausted. Whoa, is that a vending machine? Hey man, can you pass me up mints? Oh, sure. Okay. Oh, it's order soda. Get some cola wobo. It won't get. Ow! Up! Ouch! Up! Ow! 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 Up! Up! Darn it! Gimme that soda! Give me the soda! Jeez, it's so hard. Oh, come on, now I have to fix the root. Oh my god. Stupid brat. Wait, you just had mints. I don't think it's gonna be. Oh no, my tummy. Whoa. Oh, I'm gonna go get him. Okay. They have beer? They have like strawberry blast? Oh, let's go. Let's get it. Come on, you stupid vending machine. Oh, there you go. I feel dizzy. Oh boy. Wait, are you drunk? I just had strawberry drink. The strawberry drink, that's beer. Ugh. Let's see. I feel bad. I might get a drink. Wait. Jesus. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna go get more beer. That's it. No match for me. Oh. That didn't work. Well, Cause I think the Mentos not doing well. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's on evil mode. Ooh. Well, oh come on, not the wall. I fix this stupid wall every day. For no money as well. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna go to bed. Night. Night, 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 guys. It's been very fun. Well, oh, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube vlog. And today we're gonna unbox fidget toys and shut that racket up. No. Ow! Sleep outside. Oh.